I'm Shrishta and
welcome to Shrishta's Awesome Video.
So I'm sorry that I couldn't upload for a month. It's that I was just busy with my birthday, which was towards the end of February. And if you didn't know it was my birthday, you should check out my community posts. Anyways, what we're going to be doing in this video is kind of different because I don't really do kit reviews on this channel, but I'm going to do this lip gloss kit review today. So this exact kit is called, it's from KLUTZ, and it's called the ROLLONLIPGLOSS. You can't see it because of the lighting, but it comes with a book in front of it, which you can just take off, and inside it has all the things which you'll need. So yeah, we're going to be unboxing this, and let's start by taking off the book, or actually I think it'd be better to keep it. So first I'm going to unbox what's inside, and I need to get a pair of scissors for that, so let me use my magic. Okay, I got my scissors. My magic works. I haven't used it in a while, so I wasn't expecting that to work. But remember to be careful when using scissors if you're a kid. So, tape is kind of hard to open. I opened it, and let's see what's inside. This smells like peaches. Probably because of the peach flavor drops. This smells really good. So it has this little thing where you can pour it, and it probably has all the things inside. Oh, nicely packaged. So it has this little KLUTZ box that you can make, and it has everything else that it said on the box. So and this is a little gloss base. This is the flowers, the peach flavoring drops, which is what I smelled when I opened the box, the caps and the bottles, and these are made out of actual glass, so that's good. Here's the little bottles. Okay, so these are the little gems, and these are the little glitters that I have to make sure I don't spill everywhere. The rolling things appear to be inside of the caps. So I'll just take off this box. How do you take this off? Okay, so, oh, it's because there's tape in the back. So it will take me a moment to take off the tape. So I'll just use my editing magic. So with my editing magic, I got this out, and I just have to take out these little top thingies. And then we're going to look at the little booklet and see what to do and how to make this lip gloss. So we'll not be needing this, but that's basically how the tablet looks. And it's hard because it's actually made of cardboard. It's not just made of flimsy paper. So I think it'll be better just to take off, and I have the book. I got the Galaxy gloss. So what I'll need is one glass bottle, a blue and a purple flower, and the blue gems. Oh no! Okay. So I want to use the blue and the purple ones. Okay, and the peach flavor drops, and 13 exactly blue crystals, and some holographic sequins lip gloss base. We'll need lip gloss base with everything because this is the base of the lip gloss, the roller, and the bottle. So that's all the supplies you'll need. I'll just get out the gems. Oh, these gems are like actual like gem kind of. I thought they were like beads. These are cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, the rest of the gems go in here. Okay, all the extra gems back. And there's plenty of gems that you can use for any other type of these lip gloss things, because you can customize your own. You don't even have to follow the book, because the main things you'll need is the bottle, the cap, the roller, the base, and the peach drops. But for the decorations and everything, you can choose anything you want. I just chose the galaxy design because I love galaxy and I love like blue and purple. So yeah, let me just take off this packaging. So that's what the bottle looks like. So we will start with the instructions. I need to start a cap. Okay, on it. Oh, this is what it is. Oh no. Okay, so since this one already just blew out of there, this will be the one that I'm using, and the other one's go here, and I'll just back those over there. So this, it will be like that, like this little thing will go in the little opening of the bottle. So first we will start by opening this thing, and these straps. There. Our packaging goes here, and this will go here. So how do you open these straps? Oh, it's like a little section thing. Yep. It's actually really easy to squeeze. So yeah, that's how you do it. We're supposed to fill it out until this much, and make sure not to fill it all the way because we're going to be putting our little decorations in. So yeah. So you might need like a pick, like a toothpick or something, that you can use to put the decorations inside of. And yeah, so I just realized that there's 2 flowers in these. But anyway, the easiest way for me to do it is just fold it in half and just put it in, and then you can use like your toothpick to just swirl it around into your working position. So I'm going to put one of each color. So I'm going to put 2 flowers. Okay, then use the tip to just put it in there, like, and inside I'm going to add my 13 gems. So I'll just put them in like that, or so. And they might pile on top like this, but then you can just use your toothpick to just swirl it around. Also, you will be needing some glitter. Make sure not to get this all over the place, otherwise it will be a pain to clean. So be careful with it. And I just want to add only a little bit of glitter, so only a little bit of glitter. Yeah, I think that's enough. Let me just use the toothpick to swirl the glitter around, just make it there. I think I should add a little more because there's never too much glitter in something. Well, sometimes there is, but in my case, never. So I'll add glitter, and I like this glitter a lot because it shapes like a star, which matches the galaxy theme perfectly, and it's holographic, which I love holographic glitter. So just add it like that, and mix. Oh, it's all sticking to the sides. No. Push it to the bottom, push it to the bottom, push it to the bottom. You might want to get like a longer toothpick or something because this bottle is actually pretty long, so. Let me just. It's fine if there's a little glitter on top, so I'm just gonna keep it like that. In there. Okay, yeah. And I think that's enough glitter. And I'm going to add some of the peach drops for some flavoring. Of course, it's just for the smell, never for the taste. So don't try to taste the gloss, just a few drops, like 2 or 3. Just add them into there. And then you can use your toothpick to mix it up, just mix it up like that. Mix. So if there's like if you put a little too less lip gloss space, you can just add more, and if you add a little too much, you can just drain it into a bowl. You're gonna want to leave about half an inch of it just without the lip gloss base, just so that it won't like spill anywhere. But next, we're gonna add the lip roller, which you just have to really press in really hard. And after you put on the lip roller and the cap, you can decorate it with these stickers. So let me just put on the lip roller. We just shake it and make sure none of the lip gloss actually spills. So just make sure that the lip roller is tight. Just shake it and shake it and shake it. You'll have to shake it a lot, so just shake. Shake it until you think it's mixed enough. And then if you don't want any stickers, you can just leave it like this, but I kind of want stickers, so these are the stickers that comes with, like BFF stickers and stuff like that. So I'll just, I don't know if you can really see it or not, but it says Dream. And you can just test out the roller by just testing it out in your hands. And if it doesn't have any lip gloss on it, you should probably shake it more. You can try the lip gloss on just by that. And it smells like peaches, so that is good. And if it works in your hands, you can just try it on your lips, just like that. it's not actually tinted because the base is clear, but if you want to, you can just add food coloring and it will tint to the color of food coloring that you put on it. So this is how it looks. So this is how the cardboard base looks after you assemble it and put the little semicircle things inside of the slits. And this is how it looks when you put the lip gloss in. You can put all 4 of your lip glosses in and it's just a little stand for them. So that is basically the whole kit about how to make lip gloss. It smells really good though. I wish you could smell it, but like if you can see, it should be like a little glossy. And yeah, that's how to put the look. And if it doesn't roll, I think you should just keep on shaking it if this little ball inside of the rolling thing doesn't roll. So yeah, that's basically the whole entire kit. And this is a coincidence, but my little moon thingy and this galaxy actually match. So cool. But yeah, that's basically the lip gloss kit. And of course, there is 3 other bottles, and there's plenty more of the glitters and the gems and the flowers. So yeah, that is the lip gloss. So this is an easy gift that you can just give to your friends, or you can just give your friends this kit for an activity that you guys could do together. So these are the 3 designs that I made. The first design is a galaxy design, which is blue and purple. The next one is just a pinky design with all pink and some glitters. And the next one is just full-blown all glitter. Or you could call it rainbow because the glitter like reflects rainbow. So I think that this kit is a really good kit, but some things that I think should be better is the stickers, because the stickers don't stick as well because this is glass and it's really smooth. And these are not as bendable because these are plastic stickers. Also, I think there should be more flavorings. Even though this is a really good flavor, I think that more like scent flavors would be better. And I think they should add small containers like these containers, but they could add some coloring so you can make your lip glosses more fun and colorful, and it would be kind of like a lip tint. So I love this kit overall, but those are just some of the things that I think they should change about it. But this is basically how it works. If you put it on your hand, you just roll it and it will create like lip gloss. And if the lip gloss is not coming, there could be multiple reasons. You should maybe just shake it, or sometimes there can be a gems, like one of the gems stuck inside of this, so you can just pop this right off and just check if there's a gem if it's blocking it. But that's basically all about the lip gloss, the Roll-On Lip Gloss Studio. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. But before you leave, make sure to hit that like button if you liked the video, and hit the subscribe button and notification bell to get notified every single time I post a video. Also, if you want to get this kit for someone, or you want to make this for someone, you could share this to someone who has this kit, and this is basically just a tutorial on how to make it. Also, comment down below what your favorite type of makeup is. Would you rather prefer lip gloss, foundation, eyeshadow, or what's your favorite makeup? Just comment down below. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye!